Hey everybody, and welcome back to Everyday Life. We are here at the Coldwell Banker Legacy Trunk or Treat. And we have one that we set up that I'm going to be taking you around and showing you what we did. And there's a few others as well we can show you. So let's go see what they got.
Ready?
This is what we have set up.
All right, don't take it away yet. You got a few more. There you go.
What do you say?
Of course.
Trick or treat.
All right, there you go.
There's
I
the shoot.
love your costume. That is awesome.
One more.
You got candies? Oh my goodness. Thank you.
Of course. All right. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Of course. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. What do you guys
Put your
say?
bag underneath this mouth right here. His mouth.
No.
Open it up.
That is
Go
an
in there.
you will not
So there's
see
the
for a
entire
long time.
makeshift.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. This is what the kids see. And they come down here, and the candy comes out that little spout right there.
Trick or treat. Look, put your bag in.
Bottom of the chute there.
Yep, comes right out the bottom.
Boy.
Oh,
Oh, it got stuck in the mouth.
oh, one got stuck there.
Hold on.
Let's see.
There's more
Here.
candy.
See that one, because that one. You got stuck there. Say thank you.
Arby Hurty. There be any candy in there?
Yeah, give me okay. All right, coming down.
Coming down. Haha.
There's a few more coming.
Sweet.
All right.
That's awesome, dude. Good job.
Uh-oh. You don't really gotta toss it, though. You ready? All right. Hold on. M&M's aren't really. Okay, where's the forte of the pipe? All right, hold on. Hold on. I figured the M&M's would go through. They didn't.
This is trial and error. Gotta start somewhere.
Yeah. Oh,
Coming out?
go.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. At the front of the chute, it'll come out. All right. Just hold it there for a second. I gotta do it one at a time.
Blow you to smithereens, down to Davy Jones' locker. Then the sharks can feast on your blood and bones. I'm Jack, you scallywag. I used to be the greatest pirate of the high seas. I did it all. I captured treasures and fought for me ship.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. How you doing? Good.
We gonna be on television?
Huh?
Are we gonna be on television?
Oh, you bet. Hey, you gonna do a little jig?
No.
Sing for us? Nothing?
No.
No trick?
Not this year. That was last year.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
All right, you guys.
Gotta wait. Alex, help brother. Hi. Take one here. There you go.
Thank you. Hold on, share. Share. Wait, Alex, wait. You gotta share. Happy Halloween.
All kinds of trunks this year.
Mm-hmm.